Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. My name is TJ. Let's take a look at the chart. We're on a 30-day, 30-minute chart here. So today, obviously, we had a pullback. We're down about 11 points. We fell below the support here at 669 at the open and came up testing the downtrend just into the close. And as I was watching the chart today, I was thinking to myself, as we talked about recently, how critical this support is. And, we tested it a few times throughout the day today and stayed below. And I was getting ready to make a video saying that we had confirmed below this level today. Unless we could, get back up and close above this level, which we did. So that's a good sign, and considering the pullback that we saw today, I think it's fairly resilient for Tesla. As we've seen, when the market's not pushing up, Tesla tends to pull back, and today obviously we had significant pullbacks on both indexes. I mean, it wasn't anything catastrophic, and honestly, in regards to healthy pullbacks, we could have seen a little bit more, especially on the SPY. We pulled back into and below this support here at 413 and briefly below the bottom of the growth channel for the SPY, and at the end of the day ended up getting back above the support and having a nice recovery right into the close, all the way back up to the 415 level. So only down about 2.5 points for the S&P, which is not much, honestly. And after floating in the middle of this channel for a while, it's really not too bad to see us come back and get a nice bounce off of the bottom. The Nasdaq was fairly similar. The pullback was a bit sharper and the recovery not quite as dramatic. We fell, let's see, about 6 points, almost a full 2%, and for a while there we were down quite a bit to 326, rebounded up almost to this 330 level into the close and showing a little bit of resilience, holding above the bottom of the growth channel for the Nasdaq, which is good to see. So these are still very healthy levels for a strong market, and honestly, we've seen from the bottom of this growth channel for both of these indexes, we tend to get nice, good growth over the next couple of weeks. So for Tesla, like I said, I think it's a fairly resilient day given the pullback. We ended up holding this support, so that's great to see. And we're still below this downtrend, but that's fine. Tomorrow, though, is going to be a very important day, especially now. If you remember yesterday's video, I talked about it. Today, either we're going to see, a strong market will come up and we'll test this resistance here at 695, or maybe not so much, and we come down and we test this. And obviously, it was the latter, and we fell through that and spent most of the day below this level in kind of a scary situation, because below this level there's a room to fall quite a bit, all the way down to 619 from 669. It's a big drop, so it's very good to see that we were able to get back above this level into the close. But tomorrow we're still on thin ice, and we're kind of meeting this cross now that I talked a little bit about previously, the downtrend crossing this 669 level. So only one of these can hold up. We've been above and below this downtrend as we've followed it down. So I'd expect it to hold up if the market has any kind of strength tomorrow. But if there is continuation on this move to the downside for the S&P and the Nasdaq, there is a real possibility that we could see continuation for Tesla getting below the support, and from here it's difficult to imagine a scenario where we don't end up seeing a significant drop and potentially coming down to test this support down here if we end up below 669 again. We've seen it before, and although below this level Tesla tends to get bought up pretty quickly, Tesla moves fairly closely with the indexes. So if the indexes have an extended downturn and Tesla's getting below this level, there's every reason to think that we're going to go down and test the support. And that's kind of in line with what we've talked a lot about lately, is that after these earnings reports, we tend to go down and bounce off the bottom of the growth channel. So we could be seeing that play out here. I think Tesla, like I said, showed some resilience today, and again, it's really in the hands of the larger indexes as far as what we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a big day, though. Can we hold up above this level after testing it twice and showing some resilience recently, or are we finally going to fall below and see some more downside in the short term and potentially come in to get that bounce off the bottom of the growth channel that we've been looking for? That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. Let me know below what you guys think in the comments section about Tesla stock today, and also just a larger market pullback that we've seen. How do you guys feel? I know everyone's probably seen, as I saw in some comments yesterday, the sell in May narrative that's getting pushed out by a lot of the content providers in the stock space. What do you guys think? What are your plans for the rest of the month if the market continues to turn down like this? And as always, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys tomorrow.